Job interviews can be a nerve-wracking experience. You want to make sure you're giving off the right impression to the employer. Confidence is key when interviewing for a job. The employer wants to see that you believe in yourself and your abilities. They want to see that you're capable of handling the job and that you have the skills to do it well. Take a moment to pay attention to your body language. Every movement you make during a job interview sends a message to the employer. This includes maintaining good posture, avoiding fidgeting, and make sure your facial expressions reflect your interest in the position. Sit up straight, project confidence. Your arms crossed in front of you send a message of closed-mindedness and defensiveness. Positive body language will show the employer that you're interested in the position and eager to receive an offer. With the right body language, you can send a strong message that you are the perfect candidate for the job. Remember, your body language says just as much about you as your words do. Click on the playlist now to view more job searching tips, and click on my face to subscribe to receive alerts when I post new job search training videos. This is Ilene Rein from Pounding Pavement 101.